MailChimp survey tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create your own service with MailChimp. So let's get started. What you have to do is just come to MailChimp.com and sign up for your plan. You can actually go with the free plan as well. I am using a free plan. MailChimp is an amazing platform that allows you to create your own website, to create your own email marketing campaigns and your service as well. Today we are going to be creating our own survey with MailChimp. The process is super fun and super easy, so let's start with our process. What you have to do is just come to your dashboard of MailChimp and you have to go to automations right here. In automations, you will see the option of retargeting ads. Click on that and then you will be able to find all of these amazing options to create different ads and surveys. So you can see right here, you will see the option of sign up form, survey, ad, Facebook ads, Google remarketing ads, social post card, and different options as well, for example such as email and websites and landing page as well. So we are going with survey. What you have to do is simply click on survey. When you click on survey, you will see this right here, create a survey, get business insights. When you collect feedback from your audience, this is to collect our feedback from our audience, whatever we are doing, our email marketing campaigns, how they are doing, and the audience that we have already logged in will be the audience that will actually be able to take the service. So for audience, I am going with a campaign which is the explain the socials. I just named it and we will click on begin. So when we click on begin, it is the process to start creating our own survey. So the first step is to add a section. Add a section simply means adding your questions, whatever question you want to add, or if it is something else. What happens is you simply click on add a section and then they ask you these options, for example the introduction, radio buttons, checkboxes, range, open text, email or contact block. So for now, let's add a introduction section first. In this, I will add a text information. So I have added this text. It is going to be the introduction text and it says answer these simple questions to help us serve you better. You can actually add whatever text you want to add. Super easy, right? And you can actually make it bold if you want to. Simply select it and make it bold. And then if I want to make it italic, I can do that. If I want to underline it, if I want to do anything else, I can do that as well. So this is going to be the introduction section right here. Now I'm going to be adding another section which is going to be a checkbox and it is going to be a question. Now this survey, for example, let's just say this survey is for the YouTube channel that I am working on. So let's just say, what would you like to ask? So my question is going to be, do you like this video? So the option 1 can be yes, and then I will add another question that is going to be no. Let's add another option that is going to be maybe I don't know. After that, this is going to be a checkbox option. Then I can add another section which is going to be, for example, let's call it the radio buttons. Okay, the next question is going to be, did this video help you? And the option 1 can be yes, and then the option 2 can be no. After that, I can add another section which is going to be range. How would you rate this video? And I have all of these different ranges. If I want to set a low range, for example, I want to add 1 and the 0 will be added, and set high maybe 5. So what will happen is that the range value will change. If I want to add the stars, I can do that as well. If I want to add the emojis, I can do. So I'm going with the emojis. That looks good. But there are a lot of options that you can do. So you can see how easy it is to create your own questions and surveys, and it looks super professional. Let's add another section if we want to, and let's add a content block. So when I click on content block, it will open up, add a video text in between questions if I want to. So what will happen is I can now add a introduction text, or I can actually embed a video if I want to between my questions. So for now, let's just skip this step. Because I do not want to make it too complicated. Let's delete this one too. So I have now 3 questions and introduction text. This looks pretty good. I have added my section. So after this section, comes the step to design our survey. Continue to design. So from here, I will actually customize my survey page. This is how the survey looks. I have 3 questions and a introduction text. Branding. If I go to branding, I can actually add an image if I want to. Simply add image, and then in the image it will take you to upload an image. Okay, here I will find that I have already uploaded on MailChimp. So let's add another image real quick. So I have uploaded this image right here as a branding. You can actually add your logo image as well. Custom messaging. If I want to add a survey title, of course, let's call it test survey. Submit button. Yes, I want a submit button. Let's just call it submit. And then confirmation message, it can be thank you for your feedback. There you go. And closed survey message, let's call it the survey has ended. There you go. And then error message, if there is any error, so I will simply call it error. So these are the different settings that you can do. And then we have the style option where I can change the style. For example, for the button color, I can actually change the color for the button. Let's go with a very vibrant color. Okay, so I have edited the style. You can actually edit the background color and the color of the button and the text of the button right here. So this is how my survey looks right now. I think it looks pretty good. So now what I have to do is simply review my survey, and then we will be good to go, and I will just finish it up. So this is the review for my survey. This is the survey title, test survey. This is the audience that I have selected, and these are the different settings. This is the setting that I will get a daily summary of my survey, how it is doing. So once you are finished with your review, you will simply click on continue, and then you will have the option to share. There you go, guys. You can see that my survey is done. Now all I have to do is just share it on my different platforms. For example, I can create a campaign for this survey, and I can actually share it anywhere I want to via a link, or I can actually go ahead and share on Facebook and Twitter as well. So and the results will be shown right here: non-contact, contacts, unknown, and new ones, and the responses that I will get to all of my questions. For example, question 1, question 2, question 3 will be shown right here. So it was super easy to create my own survey, and you can actually edit your survey as well anytime you want to. So this is how you create your own survey on MailChimp. The process was super easy, right? And you can see we have just created a professional survey right here. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and if this tutorial really helped you, then make sure to recommend it to others as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time the channel uploads a new video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.